Hello, today I thought I would share a recipe from my own recipe binder, Decadent Hot Cocoa Mix. If you want something better than store-bought, I recommend giving this a try. In a small bowl, combine 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1 cup of sugar, half a teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix thoroughly. Then add about 3/4 of a cup of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use any chocolate chips you want, but mini chips melt faster. Once it's all combined, store in an airtight container for 3 months. To use, heat 1 cup of milk until very hot, but not boiling. Then, add about 3 tablespoons of the hot cocoa mix and stir. Continue to heat and stir until the chocolate chips have melted and the milk is at your desired temperature preference. Pour into a mug and top with some whipped cream if you like. There you have it, from my kitchen to yours, Decadent Hot Cocoa Mix. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.